Once we've logged into the dashboard, the first thing we need to do is configure the inputs. In the directory field, we're going to enter the location of where the weblogs can be found. After that, we're going to enter a pattern. The pattern will match the file names within that directory. We're not interested in the time format or the hosts or recursing into subdirectories or the role convention. Once we press save, there'll be a 15-second delay before the weblogs are actually added. We can verify that the weblogs have been added by going to the Explore page. In the Explore page, we can enter a file filter into the source field, and the weblogs have appeared. In the interactive editor, we enter a HTML string to match. We press the down arrow a couple of times to go to the line that we're interested in, and then we send this line to the regular expression tester. In there, we automatically assemble the regular expression that we're interested in. We get the field breakdown up until the area of text that was selected. Then we press this button here to send it to the search page. In the search page, what we're going to do is create a very basic search, make that search restrict itself to the weblogs for a 7-day period, save the search, and then we'll execute it. Now this search is only going to return the basic number of hits. We can capture visitor information by applying a count function to the field of the regular expression, which is the field number 1. That's the IP address of each visitor, and we're going to count the unique IP addresses. This simple function here provides us with the number of unique visitors to the website shown over time. Now what we're going to do is chart the data that was retrieved from the website as well as the number of hits. We're interested in field number 10. Number 10 represents the number of bytes made for a particular request. We'll apply the sum function, tag it with bandwidth, and we'll apply it to field number 10. So we can see the bandwidth over each bucket time. Next, we'll copy this function into the second search box, and this time we'll apply a count function to field number 0. This is counting the number of hits on the website, which is represented by each line in the Apache Weblogs. We want to view this data separately, so we're going to apply a line chart. This will overlay the line chart data over the top of the bandwidth, and then we'll save the search. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to chart the top HTML pages which have been retrieved from the website. So first, in order to do this, we know that we're interested in field number 7. We also need to restrict it so that the search only matches lines where group number 7 has HTML within it. So we use a group contains filter. So here we see the results for all of the requests. It's too much information. We've got a series count of 30. We're going to change the representation of the chart to be clustered so we can view all the data relative to each other. And then we're going to apply a top function. We're only interested in the top 10 pages over time. Now what we're going to do is create a summary page. The summary page is going to provide us with information for the top number of pages for the entire search period. So what we're going to do is change the chart representation again to be a bar chart, change the bucket count to be 1, and apply the same search again. And here we have the results. So now we've assembled a bunch of searches. We're going to create a dashboard which shows all of these searches and their results next to each other. So first we add the Apache summary page, which is the top pages. Then we show pages over time. Then we're going to add the data as it was used over time. And then finally we're going to add the Apache visitor information, which shows visitors to the website. So we've created our dashboard. We'll change it into days and we'll scroll back the time period to be 7 days and we'll execute the search. So here we have the results of the dashboard being executed. We'll save the dashboard. So this allows us to visually correlate the information. We can do things like we can zoom in to various parts of the dashboard. We can view the results by hovering the mouse. We still interact with the charts as we could in a normal search.